All right, boys and girls, let's take a look at the instructions for this problem. It says to read the story, solve the problem, show all your work on the whiteboard. All right, so here's our story. Jessica's planning to sew 24 blankets. Jessica has 276 yards of fabric. She wants to use all of her fabric. How many yards of fabric will Jessica use for each blanket? So we need to set up a problem that shows that Jessica has 276 yards of fabric and she wants to divide that fabric up amongst 24 blankets. Okay, that'll tell us how many yards each blanket is going to be. So let's set up a division problem. Our 276 yards is going to be our dividend. And our 24 blankets will be our divisor. And we'll go from there. Okay, I'm going to draw an uneven line here, as straight as I can, where I'm going to do some trial and error work over on this side here. So let's start. Can I put 24 into 2? Nope, you should say no, you can't do that. How about 24 into 27? Yes, you can, because 27 is greater than 24. So we can do that. So let's see here. 24 goes into 27, well, one whole time. 1 times 24 is 24. I need to subtract to find the difference. 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. I want to just double check, make sure my calculations are right. Good. And I also double check to make sure that my leftover, my difference, is smaller than my divisor of 24, and it is. All right, I'm going to keep moving. I need to bring down my next digit of 6. And now I repeat. I'm going to divide 36 by 24. Well, I know that 24 one time is 24. Let's just test. What's 24 two times? Let's just see. All right, 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4, so it's 48. And oh, that's too much. If it's over 36, I can't use it. So I'm going to go back and say 1 time. I place my 1 above the 6 because that's the last digit in the dividend that I'm using. Okay, so now I multiply. 1 times 24 is 24. And I find the difference between 36 and 24. 6 minus 4 is 1. 3 minus, oh no, that's 2. Pardon me, let me erase that. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So I've got 12 yards left over. So to go back here, it says how many yards of fabric will Jessica use for each blanket? Well, my answer is 11. She'll use 11 yards in each blanket. And when she's all done, she'll have 12 yards left over. The reason why we can't use that 12 yards for the blankets was because there's 24 of them and we only have 12 yards left. Okay, so the answer is 11 yards.